Hello everyone. Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to print your design directly from Canva. Once you're finished creating your design and you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to get ready for printing. First, go on the top right-hand corner of your Canva screen and click the Share button. Then from the drop-down menu, select Download. Now you will see several file types options. If you're printing, you'll want to choose the PDF print, which will give you the highest quality. If you're sending your file to a professional printer, make sure to check the box that says crop marks and bleed. This helps ensure your design prints with perfect edges. Now just click on download. Canva will prepare your file, and after a few seconds, your print ready PDF will start downloading to your computer, and that's it. Your file is now print ready, and you can print from home using your printer or upload it to a print shop. After downloading your file, go ahead and open the PDF from your computer. Make sure you're using a PDF viewer like Adobe or your computer's default PDF app. Once your PDF is open, click Print in your PDF viewer. This will open up the print setting window. Please make sure to select original size or actual size. Do not choose fit to page or scale your document. You want your PDF to print at its actual size. Now that all your settings are correct, just click print. And that's it. Your PDF should now start printing from your printer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.